If you do not have a service manual or lack the skill to install this part, it is recommended that you seek the services of a qualified technician. Damn, we're in trouble now.
Oh, it's plastic also.
Yeah, but the aluminum part broke.
Finally got that bitch in there.
Okay, let's see how it feels. A little bit better. So there's no spring action right now, so I'm assuming, hopefully it's because of the ignition, because there's a spring in the ignition.
Or it's the spring we didn't put in.
Or the spring we didn't put in.
Don't break that little tip.
Don't break just the tip.
You see someone's comment? Just a tip?
Yeah, that was funny. It's alive. Allergies.